Alright, today is the day I'm taking down the old unit bath, and I'm just trying to figure out how to do that. So I removed the insulation on the top, and then I found out there's some screws here. So I took it out. There was a seal here, a rubber seal, and then that hides all the screws, and then it's all panel. So I just gotta take out all those screws. You can see that right there. And then I lift the panels, and on the outside they are attached with those clamps, so this keeps it together from the outside. So let's do that. Alright, so the water would just drain under in that little hole and then into the drain here. I guess not a very clean way to do things, because all that grime from the bath stays in there forever because we can't clean under the bath. Wow, I guess that's the early design. Alright, I forgot to unplug that water thing, so that's it was difficult to pull out, unfortunately. I didn't unplug that thing before pulling it out. All right, let's there's some, I think there's some screws at the bottom down there as well to take the hold the panels in, so I'm going to take So once they replaced the piping, so they left this old pipe here and they didn't keep it. So when I came in once, I turned on the water and the water was running behind the wall because they didn't keep that. They didn't keep that pipe. So now this is the last piece. I gotta take the tap and then the electric control as well, I guess.